Dear students, I am going to teach last lesson, lesson 5. Crusoe finds a friend. Crusoe finds a friend. Here there is a, get started, there is a picture of a board. You have to write the answer in right place. You have to fill there. Some numbers are given already. Here I am going to start lesson section 1. This is an extract from the book Robinson Crusoe by Daniel Defoe. Who has written this lesson? Daniel Defoe. Crusoe finds himself on an island after a shipwreck. Shipwreck means what? Ship totally destroyed. While going through the water, ship is moving through the water, sometimes it will have an accident, it will destroy completely. Okay, it is happened like that. He spent many years alone on the island. What happened? Shipwreck happened. So maybe it is not our own place, maybe far place, we are not a familiar place, a strange place. Then what happened? This man escaped from there and reached some island, strange place. He spent many years alone on the island. He was alone because he is not a familiar place, and he spent so many years alone island until one day what happened? He saves the life of a local tribesman who becomes his devoted companion, and he was alone and he saved one day he served the life of a local tribesman, tribespeople, no, like that, tribespeople, local tribespeople who becomes he devoted companions. He saved one tribesman's life. He was alone, he saved his life, so they become very good companions, friends. Together they planned to escape from the island, so they together decided to go from that island, to escape from that island. Here section 1. I took Friday to my cave and gave him some bread, a bunch of raisins and a cup of water. See what happened here. The poet, the Daniel Defoe is telling, I means the writer, telling, I took Friday to my cave and gave him, he has said how this held his life. One day he took him and he was alone, this man also joined with him, gave him some bread. What he has given to his friend? Bread, a bunch of raisins and a cup of water. I told him by actions. He told him by actions because he is the writer, language he doesn't know. He the tribesman, he doesn't know any language. He is showing through actions. And then told him by actions to lie down and sleep on some rice straw. He showed the action, you go and sleep there through the actions. That is, he doesn't know any language. And a bland and some rice straw. You know rice straw, the cutting this paddy field cutting straw. On that you sleep there. He showed action and given blanket which I had placed there for him. Blanket also given and told this man to sleep there. When he woke up, he looked for me, and after he woke up from the sleep, he looking his friend looking there. Then what happened? I was out milking my goat. He was milking the goats. I let him know that his name was to be Friday. What is his name? His companion's name is Friday. Why is he calling Friday? Which was the day on which I saved his life? The Friday only he saved his life. His companion came there. Which day? Friday. So he made Friday, his name Friday, because he saved his life in Friday. That's why. Which was the day on which I saved his life? Taking a cup of milk and drank some of it and moistened my bread in some. I gave Friday to cup of milk. What he has given? The writer, milk given. He has a goat, so every day he is getting milk. Has given milk and bread for eating. He did the same thing with his bread, showing by signs that thought it is very good. And he has no language, he doesn't know his language, English doesn't know. So he is showing action to drink like that. I gave him a pair of goat skin trousers and a goat skin coat. He has no cloth. He is, old people, they are not early men and all, they are not wear. After that only he has given. What he has given? Here the goat skin, pair of goat skin trousers and goat skin coat and trousers given to him, not to wear. He has no dress at all. He was very proud of his clothes. He is very proud. He got a cloth, so he is very happy. Though he was very proud of his clothes, though he hardly knew how to get around in them at first. He doesn't know how to use, and he managed to use it. He had never worn clothes before. He never worn clothes before. Now I wondered where I should make a bed for Friday. And then the writer is trying to make a bed for him, where he has to make a bed for Friday. This man. I wanted to be kind to him, and yet I wish to feel safe myself. Actually, he is very kind to this friend. He want to sleep. He wanted to be kind to him, and yet I wish to feel safe myself. So I made a tent for him in the space between the two fences. Between two fences he made a tent for Friday, and in order to make him sleep. This tent opened by a door into my yard. The door was made lock from the inside, and I locked it and took in my ladder every night. At his place he made a tent, and through the ladder they climb inside. After that he will remove the ladder every night, so that Friday could not reach me. So why they made like that? Because he is a writer, one should be safe. Okay, should not reach. They are not sleep together. It is not safe. So he made a separate tent, and writer also made a separate. So he should, and he put inside the bolt. So he could not disturb him. The door was made him lock from the inside, and I locked it and took in my ladder every night, so that Friday could not reach me. Had I known what a true friend he was to me, he is very good friend, he is true friend to him, I should not have wanted to lock him out. After a while Friday knew English, and what happened? The Friday learned to English. Talking with the writer, he learned to speak English. I could talk to him about anything that I wished. I told him how I happened to be on the island, and how long I had been there, and what a hard time I had at first to get food and make a home, and how lonely I had been until he came. And they shared each other, how they spent they faced so many difficulties, hardships in their life. They shared each other, and how to survive in islands. I also taught him how to plant and harvest wheat and rice. See how the writer taught him how to plant and harvest how wheat and rice, and how to make baskets and dishes. Then he taught him how to make a basket, dishes, and how to cultivate the wheat and rice. He milked the goats every morning and evening and made butter and cheese. So milked every morning and they made butter and cheese. In the first section telling about how he served, the writer served the companion, heart kind he is, and he is made him to food him and feed him. He has given milk and bread, and they became very good friend and arranged him to sleep, a special place for him, and slowly he learned English, and they shared each other how they faced the difficulties, everything shared. They become very good friend. This section 1 is explained about all these things, and they learned how to cultivate the land and how to make baskets and dishes. This is all about section 1. Students, you have to read section 1, try to, very easy, try to understand, very interesting lesson this, and how to behave towards our companions, how to save others' life from their problems, difficulties. We will learn from this lesson. Okay, thank you.